Affiliate marketing has become a very profitable option for those wishing to generate passive income online. With the rise of e-commerce platforms like Shopify, affiliate marketers have found a fertile ground to promote products and earn commissions. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies of affiliate marketing on Shopify, providing insights, strategies, and tips to help you succeed in this competitive landscape. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through their referral. It's a symbiotic relationship where merchants gain exposure and sales, while affiliates earn passive income by driving traffic and conversions. Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platforms, renowned for its user-friendly interface, robust features, and scalability. As an affiliate marketer, partnering with Shopify opens up a plethora of opportunities to promote a wide range of products across various niches. Moreover, Shopify offers dedicated tools and resources to streamline the affiliate marketing process, making it an ideal choice for aspiring affiliates. Shopify boasts a comprehensive set of features designed to empower merchants and affiliates alike. From customizable storefronts to secure payment processing and integrated marketing tools, Shopify provides a holistic solution for businesses of all sizes. Shopify offers built-in affiliate tracking capabilities, allowing merchants to set up affiliate programs and track the performance of their affiliates seamlessly. Affiliates can access promotional materials, track their earnings, and optimize their campaigns through Shopify's intuitive dashboard. To embark on your affiliate marketing journey on Shopify, you need to create a Shopify store. The process is straightforward, requiring you to sign up, choose a plan, and customize your storefront to reflect your brand identity. Once your Shopify store is up and running, you can explore various affiliate programs available on the platform. From niche-specific programs to broader partnerships, Shopify offers a diverse range of opportunities for affiliates to find products aligned with their audience. Successful affiliate marketing hinges on promoting products that resonate with your audience and offer genuine value. Conduct thorough research to identify high-quality products with a proven track record of sales and customer satisfaction. Content is king in the realm of affiliate marketing. Whether it's blog posts, product reviews, or social media content, compelling and informative content can drive engagement and conversions. Leverage storytelling, visuals, and persuasive language to captivate your audience and encourage them to take action. Shopify's extensive app ecosystem offers a plethora of tools and plugins to enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. From affiliate tracking and link management to email marketing automation and social media integration, these apps can streamline your workflow and maximize your earnings. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. Optimize your product pages, blog posts, and other content for relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to improve your visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs. Email marketing remains one of the most effective strategies for nurturing leads and boosting conversions. Build a robust email list of subscribers interested in your niche and craft compelling email campaigns to promote affiliate products, share valuable content, and foster relationships with your audience.